magandang hapon. Today is Tuesday, March 4. Nandito tayo ng Quezon City. Ito pala si Boss Jonathan. Binibigyan natin sa kanyang ating ACX 2030 automatic. Boss, nakakapos ng call feedback. Dito, na-interview ko.
Okay, napakabilis na usap ni Sir Raymart. Okay, nakausap. Smooth deal kami yung araw na to. Recommended. Yan.
Thank you. Yan mga bossing ko, ayan yung ating ACX 2013 buy from Quezon City, Boss Jonathan. Thank you. Yan mga bossing ko ha, yan, nakita nyo naman, deliver door to door. Money back, kapag may problema sa papel. Okay? Thank you.